In this short Microsoft Word tutorial, we're going to have a look at the very first tool in the very first section of the ribbon, which is right here, the Format Painter. And we're going to look at how we can unleash the potential of the Format Painter. So to get started, I'm just going to populate my document here with a little bit of placeholder text. And if I just write that, as you may have seen in previous videos of mine, I'm going to get one paragraph there. Let's add another one with 2 paragraphs of lorem text, and then maybe just let's copy that and just fill this up a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going to make this one here a slightly green color so we can see some differences in it. Now let's say I highlight this paragraph right here and I make it bold, underline, and let's even change the font to this guy here. So those are 3 changes here. I've bolded it, I've underlined, and I've changed to this font. Now if I want to take this formatting, those 3 changes, and apply it somewhere else in the text, I can highlight any part that includes the formatting that I want, click once on the Format Painter, and then simply drag over the text where I want to apply that, and you see all my changes now. It is bold, underline, and the new font. But you notice now if I click and drag again, nothing will happen. So if I want to keep that formatted, locked in, what I can do is, once again, highlight the text that I want to take the formatting from. And this time, instead of single clicking, I'm going to double click. So now, notice what happens. I can highlight that, and I can highlight other parts. You can see that my Format Painter now is permanently turned on. In order to turn off your Format Painter, one option is simply just click it again, and now you see it's off. If I go back to the double click locked in mode, there's another way to turn it off. You can simply on your keyboard just hit escape and you see it's gone. So there you go. That's how to use the Format Painter within Microsoft Word. Please do like, share, and subscribe to this video and indeed my channel. I would really appreciate it. It really helps things to grow. Thank you very much.